Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to clear the Gmail's app cache to free up the storage on your Android phone and iPhone as well. I'm gonna show you both devices. So let's get started. So if you want to clear the cache files for the Gmail app on the Android phone, it's quite straightforward. You need to go to settings on your phone, then go to apps. Here you need to find the Gmail application. If you don't see it, tap on see all apps and then tap on search and type in Gmail. And you should see the application. You can tap on it. Then find the storage and cache option, tap on it. And here we have this clear cache option. Remember not to click on clear storage because it will remove all of your accounts and stuff like that. So you will need to log in again and stuff like that. So if you just want to clear the cache, tap on it and it will be cleared after that. As you can see, it says 0 bytes. So we're fine and we can close the settings. And to do it on the iPhone, it's less straightforward because you have two options. You can either remove the app and reinstall it. This will require you to log in again into an app, but it will completely free up the space. And the second option is to offload the application. Basically, it will kinda remove it, but it will leave some of the files on your iPhone, and then you can basically reinstall it, and it will log in automatically and stuff like that. So to completely remove the app, that's quite simple. You simply find the icon of the Gmail. So let's tap on it, search. And then press and hold on the icon, tap on delete app, you confirm, and then you reinstall it. Actually, yeah, let's do that, delete. And then we can go to the App Store and reinstall the application. But like I said before, you will need to log in again into your accounts because everything will be removed. And we can reinstall it. And after it's reinstalled, you can log in and use the app again. And to offload the application, we need to go to settings and do it there. But first, let's wait until the Gmail is... Wait, I'm installing the Chrome. Oh my bad. That's the wrong application. Gmail is here. So we need to install Gmail. I'm going to come back to you once it's done installing. Okay, the application is done installing. You can now open it and log in into your account to use it again. And if you want to offload the application without losing like all of the data, you go to settings. You find the general, then storage, I believe. iPhone storage. It should be somewhere here. Yeah, here it is. And then as you can see, we have this option, offload unused apps, but let's leave it for now. We just need to find the Gmail application, tap on it, and then tap on offload app. Offload app. And once it's offloaded, you can reinstall it by tapping on reinstall app. Looks like it will take a while, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. And the app is reinstalled. The offload app option is back. That means that the application is reinstalled. And if you were logged in into account and you had some data from that account, it should basically be usable again. You could just open the app and it should log you in automatically. But since I uninstalled the app first, and there's no data for me right here to log in, so I need to use my account, or rather log in into an account to use it. Okay, and that's how you clear the cache files both on the Android and iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.